Gothenburg in Sweden is the second largest city in Sweden after Stockholm. It's located on the west coast of Sweden, and is a major center for trade, industry, and education in the country. One of the city's main attractions is Liseberg, an amusement park that's been entertaining visitors since 1923. It's one of the largest amusement parks in Scandinavia, with over 40 rides, attractions, and shows. Gothenburg is also known for its strong corporate presence, with companies such as Volvo Cars, SKF, AstraZeneca, and Ericsson all based in the city. The city has a long history of automotive manufacturing, and it's still an important center for the industry today. In addition to its corporate presence and amusement park, Gothenburg is also known for its vibrant cultural scene. The city is home to many museums, theaters, and music venues, including the Gothenburg Opera House and the Museum of World Culture. Gothenburg is a diverse and cosmopolitan city, with a population of over 590,000 people in the city proper and over 1 million in the greater metropolitan area. The city is committed to sustainability and has implemented many innovative solutions to reduce its carbon footprint and protect the environment, such as its extensive public transportation system and green spaces. Some of the other notable attractions in Gothenburg include the Fish Market, the Gothenburg Botanical Garden, the Gäteborg's Konstmuseum, Gothenburg Museum of Art, and the Maritimen Museum, which showcases the city's maritime history. The city also hosts many festivals and events throughout the year, including the Gothenburg Film Festival and the Way Out West Music Festival. Overall, Gothenburg is a vibrant and dynamic city with much to offer visitors and residents alike. Whether you're interested in culture, industry, or amusement, you're sure to find something to enjoy in this exciting city.